Hello there, lovies, and welcome back to another video. And if you're new to here, welcome. I know y'all are wondering what happened. What happened? Swimming happened, and a lot more swimming, and a lot more swimming. So what we actually used was a clay mask on her hair to revive it and put it back together. First, you're gonna need 1 cup of bentonite clay. Then we're gonna add in 1/3 cup of aloe vera gel. Following that, we're going to add in 1/3 cup of olive oil. Then we're going to go ahead and add in 1 cup of the distilled water. Then we're going to follow that up with adding 15 drops of rosemary essential oil, which is great for stimulating the hair follicles and encouraging growth. And then we're going to follow up with the 10 drops of the lavender essential oil. Then you want to go in and make sure everything is mixed together really smooth and nothing is separated. Let me tell y'all, this summer has been super fun, super crazy, and we just been having a blast. And so, hair was kind of on the back burner of our minds over this summer, and they have been having a ton of fun. So make sure you mix it real good. Make sure you mix it real good. But we've been swimming. They've been swimming, beach, pool again, backyard. Like, they've been in everything. So this was really needed for her hair. And then you'll see later on that we actually, after I got done doing her hair, we actually went to a birthday party. So they've been having a ton of fun. And so it's really cool. And I know sometimes it's just like, who has time for hair? Who has time to do hair? All right, now we're gonna go in and start parting the hair in 4 sections. And you guys will see, like, it's really easy to go ahead and put this in, and it's not gonna be any crying, it's not gonna be any fussing. So it works really well. I'm just flipping away the other sections so that I can concentrate on one specific section at a time. When we actually start applying this, I start working it from the edges, around that section, and then work my way in. And you'll notice it's going to be super easy for the hair to become detangled. It's not going to be any issues with that. You're going to see that the hair starts to elongate with no problems at all. It gives it great slip. And so that's what makes it so easy to use, especially on kids, because you don't have to worry about trying to get through all the tangles. Kids are kids, and they get into a lot of things. Sometimes they roll around on the floor, the carpet, outside. And so sometimes it's just, this is really just heaven sent. This mixture, like, it works wonders. I never have an issue with them anytime I use it on all my kids. And they all have different hair textures and curl patterns. So it works really well. Do you guys see what I'm talking about right here? Like, it works wonders. If you look at the other section on the side, you see how matted and stuff it was. Look how elongated it is. And all I've been doing is working the clay mixture into her hair. That's it, period. It's amazing. It's amazing. You guys see any tears? No tears. You guys see any crying? No crying. This is a parent's dream come true right here. Then I just twist it up, put it in the knot, and move on to the next section. If you guys decide to try this, which I hope you do because you're not going to regret it, you're not going to regret it, let me know how it worked for your kids and what type of curl pattern your kids have and just the overall experience that you guys had with it, because I've never had an issue with this mixture. Now we're coming to the end. I'm just working it in this last section. Do you guys see what I'm saying? It's amazing. It's amazing, okay? Boom, we're done with it. Now I'm gonna let this dry for 30 minutes And then we're gonna move over to washing it. My camera actually died on this section, but I did get some clips of me actually washing the clay out of her hair. Like, it's amazing. Do you guys see this? I didn't have to detangle. I didn't have to deal with any crying, any fussing, anything. It works wonders. This is what it looked like before. Do you guys remember? Ridiculous, okay? But it's okay. We saved the day. This is the after. Look how moisturized it is. Her hairstyle came out super cute. Mind you, went to a birthday party. This is what her hair looked like after the fact. It was perfect. This is night and day. This looks like an entirely different person, okay? And this is a picture of the back of her where I did the twist at, and then we did the top knot at the front. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and that you try out this clay mask because it is amazing. Hey guys, don't forget to follow us on social media at Evolution of Day and our parenting blog at What the Parent, and you can also visit us at www.whattheparent.com, and you can always send us love mail to our P.O. box. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.